Hello my friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to filter dynamically our data depending on the current month. The scenario is like this. Every month the data changes and we want to have only the data starting with the first of the current month. We will use M-language in Power Query and Power BI to get this dynamic filter. We have our table here and it can be linked to a database. You can have it in a CSV file, it doesn't matter. The idea is that you want to have this filter dynamic. If the month changes, automatically to have only the data with the current month. We will make the tutorial in Excel with Power Query, but the procedure is identical in Power BI because Power Query is in Power BI identical with the one in Excel. So the first step is to import this table in Power Query. We click on the table and go to from table range. Okay, and Power Query will open the editing window. Now I will tell you a trick in Power Query that you can use for your specific demand. If you want to make a filter dynamic, first you make this filter fixed using the user interface and then you modify the code with the M code. So now what we want to do, we want to filter the date to be after the 1st of September. Now we are in 27 September and we want the filter to be after the 1st of September. So we go to after or equal to and we select the date, the 1st of September, and click OK. Automatically the code have been created here in the steps and here in the formula bar with fixed dates. Let's import this table in our Excel file in the existing sheet. Okay, and we have it here. Now we will go to our Power Query code and modify the query. We go to Edit Query. Okay, the query loaded, and we go to the advanced editor and we will make our transformation here. Okay, we have here the fixed date. What we want to do, we want to modify the month and the year to be the current one. So we start with the month. Okay, first, in order to get the current date, we use the function datetime.localNow. Okay, but this must be wrapped with the datetime.date function in order to be correct. And now that we have this, we want to extract the month and we wrap it again with the date.month. Okay, close the first parenthesis, no error detected, and click done. And we see that our code functions. Okay, we go to Excel and see if it is okay. Okay, we click refresh. So the code is working. In this moment we made the month dynamic. Let's do the same for the year. We replace the year hard-coded with the same function for the month, but instead of date.month we put date.year. Okay, close and load. Okay, refresh. So the code is working. Now we have our filter dynamic depending on the current month. Next month, in October, we only press refresh and it will get only the data from the 1st of October. As I told you, the same is in Power BI. The code is identical. I hope you found this video interesting. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.